Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. If you've been here for a while, I'm sure you're wondering where the heck I am. Well, it's the end of summer and the beginning of a new school year, so before that went down, it was time to take a family trip. The great thing about this trip is there was a family reunion going on, so it just kind of worked out. This is the Airbnb that we rented at Seven Springs in Champion, Pennsylvania. If you've never heard of Seven Springs, just know it is in the mountains. The air is crisp. It just feels so light, and it just felt amazing. Like I really needed this in my life. This Airbnb was lovely. It was a condo. So if you are going to Seven Springs in the near future, or if you live around there and you want to know this information, just hit me up on Instagram, Kim_at_home. And please don't forget my name is spelled K-Y-M. Here is the downstairs bathroom. I don't think I've shown you guys this. The reason the toilet seat is up is because I had to clean off the toilet. Let me know in the comments below if you are that person. When you go to a hotel, Airbnb, or what have you, do you disinfect the toilet first? I do that, and I also do the light switches and door handles. But every room has a TV. Here's what the balcony was looking like. Obviously, we arrived in the evening time, so I couldn't show you yesterday, but let me tell you, it is so very peaceful and green out here. I really hope you enjoyed the tour. I really had a lot of fun here and I wanted to share that with you. Seven Springs offers a lot of amenities. As I previously stated, this was an Airbnb condo, so we weren't actually at the resort. But other than tennis and swimming pool, they offer skiing, but you're skiing on a mountain. Keep that in mind. And those hills go straight up. It's a little intimidating. To show you what we got her for her school supplies. This Jan Sport nice blue book bag.
So this is my front pocket. This is the other pocket, and you can put pencils, but I'm not gonna do that because they will get lost. Then I have this really big pocket, also really big pocket, and then I have a secret pocket in the back for my tablet.
Nice. A bunch of pencils, colored pencils, and also the dry erase markers. She has a tablet that they provide, and this is a project that she is doing.
Not finished, so I'll have to do the back and the top.
And then we also have some beautiful, pretty, what are these things called?
Notebooks.
She also has some hand sanitizer and a ruler and some headphones. These are just some of the items that she needed for back to school. And then she has this handy dandy bag. So this is her back to school haul. And then as far as her clothes, she goes to a different school this year. It is a STEM school, so she will be wearing khakis and polos, right?
Mm-hmm. I also actually have one of the skirts right here. All the other ones are at the dryer mat place. I don't know.
At the dry cleaners?
Yeah, but this is one of the skirts that we got after we put to the dry cleaners.
What color polos do you have?
Red, white, light blue, dark blue.
Nice. Is it just me, or when you do activities in your house, do you work up an appetite? Because I surely do. I don't like to prepare food in a dirty kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and get everything straightened up in the sink so that I can prepare my meal. Anytime I clean my vegetables or fruit, I use vinegar, but you can buy an actual fruit and veggie spray. I like to multitask, so while those hamburgers are cooking, I'm going to get these containers filled up with our chips and snacks and all that great stuff. I picked these up from Dollar Tree probably like a year ago, and I've just been using them ever since. They really do save space in your pantry. The food really looks mediocre, but it was the bomb, and you know I only eat on fine china. I'm in my oldest daughter's room. I painted her room a couple months ago. I just put like a coat of white, which was like a primer and a paint, but now we have to paint it blue. However, I have not been to Lowe's. Can you believe it? Because I go to Lowe's all the time, but I haven't been there for a while, so I have to get the paint. Anyway, I bought her some new blinds because she likes it to be darker in her room. So I took the blinds off of one of the windows because I wanted to be sure that I could get it off okay. And since I am able to get it off okay, I'm gonna go ahead and switch the other blind out. However, I am gonna clean the windows off first. I read a quote that says, when you have a dream, you've got to grab it and never let it go. My thoughts behind that quote is, don't allow fear to hold you bound. You will never know if that dream will come true if you don't execute it. Put in the work. Don't be afraid. You really have nothing to lose. If you're dealing with low self-confidence, be sure to say your affirmations because they really, really do work. This has so much film on it from like, who knows how long ago. The company that you've always wanted to start, go ahead and create it. It doesn't cost a lot to have an LLC. Just step out on faith, go into it with positivity, and know that you can do it. Okay. Woo, that was a workout. Here is what they are looking like. That was making me sweat so bad. But they're on, and that is all that matters. Now I have to do the other window. The blinds are so dusty, and I didn't even think about it. So every time I touch the wall, that is from me touching on the blinds being so dusty. Let me show you my paper towels from cleaning off the windows. Pretty dirty. That was from the outside of the window. And this was from the inside of the window. Oh yeah, this is why I like to show you guys real life. These are totally on backwards. Okay, so now I have to switch those around. This is trial and error. This is the first time I've actually done this, so I think I did pretty good, even though they're on backwards. The windows are so clear, and there's the little friends, the little geese. They're actually not my friend because they poop in my driveway. The old ones away, so I'm just going to put them in here because maybe we could use them somewhere else. Open up my curtains now, 'cause I don't... This is actually the day that I got back from our vacation, and I'm trying to just put everything away. Eventually I need to get these drawers organized because they are a mess, as well as my cabinet. Also, I was only gone for like 3 days, and I realized how dusty these countertops are, so I have to make sure that I get those wiped down as well. The Airbnb that we stayed at had a washer and dryer, but for some reason it slipped my mind. Maybe that's because I don't like to do laundry. But I went ahead and did it when I got home so my husband didn't have to. Teamwork makes the dream work, even if it's something that you don't want to do. There was only like one full load of clothes, so I kind of split it up just because there were different items. I mean, I don't know how to wash clothes, so I just figured that this was something you were supposed to do. The great thing about my washer is it has the directions on how to wash clothes when you open the lid. Genius, okay?
I'm the right or wrong, gets me what I want. I'm hanging by a string, gotta get up on my feet, get to what I need, and I am flying through the streets on neon wings. Once I get to you, I don't want anything. Girl, I'm so addicted, just like
I thought I saw a water spot on my ceiling in my living room, so I asked my husband if he could unclog the dryer chute or whatever this thing is called. So that's what we are outside in the back doing. The last time that I saw a water spot on the ceiling, this was clogged. The good news is it was a reflection and it was not a water spot. Check out how blue and beautiful the sky is. Next on the agenda is to handle this vacuum. I promise you it's going to be I don't want to say death of me because that's not a good thing to say, but you know what I'm saying, right? If you can find, or figure out something else to say, let me know. At any rate, it needs to be clean because, of course, it is caked with hair. So I have my gloves, I have my bags, and my scissors. Here's what it looks like close up.
it's all you got me believing. When I hear the sirens call, all I do is fall. I lose all control.
This is what I collected out of there. It actually wasn't as bad as I thought it would be because normally it's way worse. It's always a joy for me to see the vacuum lines after the vacuum has been cleaned out because there's something about vacuum lines that just really make me happy. It really just makes your space look cleaner, even if it's not clean. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button so that YouTube knows that my videos are something that you want to watch. And also, please subscribe if you haven't already. I really, really, really love fresh vacuum lines. Thank you so much for being here. Bye, guys.